Merry Christmas from Weekend Express. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So today we have some special stuff planned.
Sort of.
Yeah.
Is this like your third take or something?
Yes, it is.
So our first topic
Bilbo. Don't touch me.
are the holidays.
People these days.
If you
Isabella.
So,
yeah.
Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Boxing Day,
Happy
and
Ramadan.
Happy St.
Ramadan,
Lucia's Day, and
Happy
whatever she
Chinese
said.
New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year, Happy New Year. Yes.
Hey, touch me.
You touched me. Never mind.
That was Isabella.
And Happy Easter.
Whoa,
Our next topic is the word game. So I'll start, and you're gonna say the word that you think of when I say that word. Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Enough with the things.
Okay. We're all good now.
Okay.
Wait.
Ready? Ready?
Oh. Okay. Wait. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. It's not funny. Take it off.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's good. Okay. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off. Okay.
Oh, did you see that?
That was like Slenderman. Okay. Say the first. Say a
It's
word.
like
Say a word.
The
Can.
first. Okay. I'm gonna start. Christmas.
Toys.
People.
Stuffed dog.
Bilbo Baggins.
Okay.
I don't know.
Frodo.
I don't know.
Gandalf.
IDK.
Angry Bird.
iPod.
Unicorns.
Horn.
This has been
Narwhal.
Weekend Express.
No, shut up.
Elf.
Buddy.
Oh, that was movie.
World's best cup of coffee.
World's
Oh,
best
yeah.
dad.
That was funny.
Santa. I know him.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Rainbows.
Pizza.
Unicorns.
Purple.
Unicorns. Purple.
Rapora.
Wait,
Math.
put a mask on me.
No, get out of the way. No! Get a cowboy hat.
Plus.
Minus.
Doodle.
Multiply.
Divide.
That's scary.
Okay, next.
An arrow pointing to the next thing.
Katniss.
What just happened?
PETA. Forever.
Gail.
Is ugly.
Kesha.
It's more like Lady Gaga.
Kesha.
Lady Gaga.
This is so weird.
Weird.
Me! Her!
Juju.
Cool.
A 1.
Oh. Let's all sing Soft Kitty now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Soft kitty, warm kitty,
Little
by the fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr. Punch, punch. Okay. Now,
My eye.
topic is The Hobbit.
I don't know what it is. I heard a lot about
Well,
it.
shut up. Excuse me.
Who heard about the new Slenderman game?
No one cares. But new Slenderman, get the board. Get the.
arrival. The arrival. Oh.
Hey, hey.
Hi.
No, we need to show them the board. Don't you touch Bilbo Baggins. I'm sorry for that little interruption. Anything you'd like to say, Molly? Wish them a Merry Christmas.
Thank you. And good night.
Have a good Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate.
Draw on you.
So,